a powerhouse team that has already secured 2 impressive wins in the early rounds of this elimination. So ang Barcelona hungry for redemption at ang Irosin naman, they want to maintain their dominance. Sino kaya ang magwawagi? Ako nga pala si Angelo Espinosilia, ang inyong weekend warrior at kasama ko si Coach Paul Sepe, ang aming resident basketball analyst. Ano sa tingin mo ang mangyayari sa larong ito, Coach Paul?
Yes, good afternoon Sir Angelo for that wonderful introduction. Ngayong hapon talaga dapat mag-step up na dito itong mga taga-Barcelona. No? They have 2 losses already. They lost to Santa Magdalena on their last outing. And also ito na mga Irusin talagang tuloy-tuloy ang panalo. 2 panalo, they win against Bulan on the last outing. So ito, medyo exciting to kasi for redemption nga itong mga taga-Barcelona. At ito namang Irusin talagang naghahanap na ng makausad na dito sa ating liga. So titignan natin kung anong mangyayari dito sa ating four-poly header ngayong araw. So, wag na natin itong patagalin. Of course, ibigay na natin sa ating arena announcer na si Mr. JV Salvidar.
This is Raul Cup, Soxabon,
Alright, good afternoon once again. Pakilala muna natin ang ating mga players. We have Fulgar Rodney on the side of Barcelona, Jonas Leona, Ryan Espeño, Carlo Estuye, and Romel Guelas.
At sa kabila naman for Team Irosin, we have Grifaldeo, number 4 Lopez, we have Tikboy de Rosario, Raymark Dreo, and also Aymar Sabayo, partner.
And interestingly, again, no, though many are hoping and expecting that Irosin will be dominant in this game, upset can happen. So tingnan natin who will get the first point in the first quarter of the match. Shooting from the line, there is Espeño, but misses. And the second attempt did not make it to the basket as well. Now Tikboy del Rosario, a veteran player on the side of Irosin, fires a long-range shot but didn't make it. Now trapped inside are the players of Team Irosin. Still, kinakapapa ata Coach Paul ang ring. What a behind the back pass of Tikboy del Rosario to Grifaldo, but it was intercepted, and to get the first point there is Leona of Barcelona.
Ito partner, napaka-steady point guard nito si Jonas Leona, but on their last outing kaya medyo kulang yung performance itong mga taga-Barcelona because wala ito nung nakaraang laro nila.
I see. So I think his presence here is very good. It will bring a very good impact, no, to this ball game. Tingnan natin. And speaking of Leona, he's also the court general here, no, aside from pointing, I think he was the one dictating the play for his team. So ito na, Fulgar, veteran player as well who has played in many collegiate leagues.
And I know, kilala mo yan, partner, kasi he played for Ateneo Dinaga University.
Of course, I've covered these games in Bukal for so many seasons. And now we're tied at 2. Leona once again dribbling the ball. Guarded by Tikboy Del Rosario. Leona crosses into the paint, attacks and advances using the board for 2.
Medyo maganda ang panimula dito ni Jonas Leona, partner. So titingnan natin kung magtutuloy-tuloy yan and talagang makapag-contribute siya dito sa Team Barcelona. At ayan, naka-steal pa.
Tama, nabati. Leona once again, that's Leona attacking on his own at misses. Now, we have Drew. Shoots. And a successful one by Almar Sabayo.
And napaka-steady din nitong player na ito, partner for Irusin. On their last outing, he scored 23 big points. Again, Team Bulan to get that win. And also, grabs 10 rebounds on that game.
Yan, a man in both offense and defense. Speaking of Sabayo, entering the paint, but he was fouled. He was fouled there by Leona. No, that's a costly foul, especially for the one who has been playing and making the plays for the first few minutes of our game.
Yes, partner, medyo ano dito, may early foul on Team Barcelona.
Tikboy inbounding the ball, pass it to Lopez, but there's an off-ball foul there on jersey number 86.
Medyo malaking task to, partner, for Guelas, no? Medyo ang binabantayan niya dito si Aymar Sabayo.
Yes, there's
kung makikita mo naman, there's a big disparity sa height, partner.
Tama, no? Pero puso pa rin, no? Because again, they are hungry for their win. Now Leona once again crossing the half court, trying to shake off his defender, throws the ball, almost made it, but at least he got the foul. So grabe for the first 4 run of Barcelona. Leona has been doing the running and the gunning. So puntahan muna natin ang ating beauty queen na courtside reporter na si Barbie Floriano para sa kanyang report. Barbie, take it away.
Thank you, Coach Paul and Coach Jalo, and good afternoon, mga kasurog. Irusin is already on fire for the first week of our elimination round, having the standing of 2 wins and 0 loss. We can say that they are well prepared for this tournament. But then, even with this good team standing, they will not show complacency and make sure that their fire is still burning. Continuous pa rin ang kanilang trainings and practices. And according to Coach Irvin Lohena, in this match, they will make amends for their lockings during their previous games. That's the latest for now from the bench of Team Irusin. Back to the panel.
Tama, no? Thank you, Barbie. So, indeed, hindi dapat maging complacent. And speaking of very dominant talaga tong Irosin kasi ang pangalan pa lang nila Coach Paul, no? From old Bicol word na Iros means to cut off or to destroy.
Yes,
So, ito yung destroyers natin dito sa liga. And Espeño now with a big rebound there, grabbing the ball with his right hand, passing it to Leona. Leona once again carrying the team on his shoulder, misses. Fulgar almost getting the rebound there against the Giants, but miss. And a quick 3-point attempt by number 23. And jersey number 3 na si Grifaldo cleans up the mess. Villena, the one carrying the ball now. To Leona. Leona once again guarded with under 10, 11 seconds to shoot. Quick pass inside to Fulgar. What a good connection, but Fulgar missed the shot.
Medyo inaahlat dito, partner, si Rodney Fulgar. Good recognition on the part of Jonas Leona on the cutting Fulgar, pero mintes na naman yung kanyang easy layup doon. That's the third time na nagmintes siya on that point blank layup.
Tama, medyo nangangapa pa. And Tikboy Del Rosario with a long range pass.